Hello everybody, this is Ben from Crypto Addicts and I'm very happy to talk to you today for a new status video on the crypto market situation. Are you ready? Let's go! It's been a while since I did the exercise because I was away from the world of crypto for a few weeks of rest. But here we are again. So, how does 2019 start? Well, not necessarily extremely well, we have to admit. Last week it had started well with the attempt of a rally on the majors. But unfortunately, the movement did not have the hoped for impact on the sector, with again and again this downward trend very present and which is plaguing the atmosphere. We will not hide it. In December we talked about the possibility of a reverse head and shoulders configuration, and if it picked up to the $3,750, talking about a confirmation of the configuration would be wrong. We are, from a statistical point of view, in the 20% of cases where confirmation does not occur. Is it a bad sign? Perhaps. For the moment, most cryptos are trading on the bottom of their short-term range, and there is still no indication that we are done with the downtrend. But let's look at the BTC graph. First of all, we see the unconfirmed head and shoulders reversed. As a reminder, a head and shoulders reversed has this configuration. You start from the left shoulder, then you create the head with a bottom lower than the bottom of the left shoulder, and you go up to the previous stop. Finally, you do the right shoulder with a bottom at about the same level as the left shoulder. This configuration is a figure that generally indicates an increase. Unfortunately, this reverse configuration here has not been confirmed and buyers could not push the price up. So now, from a support and resistance point of view, we currently see a situation with a very strong resistances. One in the $5,000 and the other one in the 5,500. And breaking them will be a complicated challenge for buyers. From a Fibonacci point of view, we are currently on a support with $3,373 below and $3,690 above. For those who are not familiar with Fibonacci retracements, it is an extremely interesting tool to visualize support and resistance. You will find more information in the description of this video. Concerning volumes and volatility, they remain relatively low, indicating that a break in the support could generate a massive fall, as we have often known, around $3,250 or $3,100. From an indicator point of view now, on our setup we see a possible growth via the stochastic, which has just left the oversold zone. The exhaustion RSI that sent yesterday a buy signal, an MACD, so the trend that is in cross purchase, here with an interesting divergence that you can see quite easily and confirmed by our divergence indicator. But no rush. On the volatility indicator, we may still need confirmation on the Donchian volatility indicator that would tell purists to wait a little bit. Without going into more details, we think that in the short term, and I am talking about the short term, we could have a small growth with, why not, the $3,690 or even $3,820 if we follow the Fibonacci retracement. All that said, the possibilities are still in favor of a continuation of the downward trends in the medium term, and therefore be cautious. On the other hand, the correlation is still extremely high, suggesting that to have a return to half growth, we will have to wait for a leadership move by a major, and that obviously gives even more strength to the seller who can still play on it. In summary, from a technical point of view via indicators and pattern, we think it is likely that we will have a first small recovery before we see a continuation of the downward situation. But we will come back to analyze the situation and keep you informed of course. Besides that, we don't talk about it often, but Crypto Addicts is also a set of trading tools, advice and a whole team that is there to help you. So if you want to stay informed of all our information directly and save a lot of time by using our trading bots, I invite you to visit our trading service, which has already won over 800 people. Why won't you be the next one? For all the information, visit our website www.cryptoaddicts.com. For us, we'll meet again next week for a new video. See you soon!